Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering on the Xbox and confirming you're signed into your profile. This lets the console register a new controller. Make sure the controller has charge or fresh batteries because low power interrupts pairing. Once done, plug a USB cable for a wired link if you want instant connection. Otherwise, get ready. Find the console's sync button and the controller's small pair button on top. You'll press them in sequence to start the wireless handshake. With both devices ready, press the console's sync button until its light flashes. Immediately press and hold the controller pair button until the Xbox button blinks rapidly. The blinking indicates search mode. Once the console and controller find each other, the Xbox button becomes steady and the controller is assigned to your account. If firmware prompts appear, approve updates in settings. Note, Bluetooth pairing is for PC or mobile. On console, use Xbox Wireless for lower latency and full feature support. Finally, verify the connection by launching a game or opening the Accessories app to test sticks, buttons, and triggers. Responsiveness confirms success. Make sure to accept any controller firmware updates in Settings, Devices, and Accessories. Updates fix bugs and improve stability. If the controller won't connect, power cycle the console and controller, try a USB cable to force recognition, or swap batteries. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, repair after a full shutdown and restart to clear stale connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.